Hey, what's up, guys? Ryan here with the BURNWOOD crew. We're out here camping at BYRD'S Campground. This will be BYRD'S Campground Part 2. We got the new tent, the Taj Mahal over there. We got Mrs. BURNWOOD about to start this fire. So, why don't you take that big one? Why don't you take that big one and put it back behind all that? What's wrong? Put the big one back behind. No, on my side. Yeah. Out freaking standing, Mrs. BURNWOOD. Big wood, kindling wood. Yeah, so we're at BYRD'S Campground. This is turned into one of our favorite places, like real close to home to go to. And I bought some firewood from a guy that sells it and brought it here to this campsite. They allow us to bring wood as long as it's local. But the guy I get firewood from, $2 a bundle. Can't beat that. Can't beat that with a stick. Did you have to restart it, or did it keep going?
No, it's still going.
It's good?
So far.
So far, so good, right, Pooper?
Good side.
What? What did you say, Pooper?
Good side.
Sissy! Don't come out here without shoes on. You get your feet dirty and your pants.
She doesn't know how to do her shoes yet.
Look how big the Taj Mahal is, man. We don't have the rain fly on yet. Hopefully it doesn't rain tonight, but there's a chance. It rained last night. The Taj Mahal is big. This is the G spot. This is the G spot. The G spot. That campsite back there looks pretty cool though. Maybe we'll do that one next time. Do something a little different. But as far as like tent area, I think this one's the best. BYRD'S Campground Episode 2. Hey honey, make sure you don't pound my axe into those gravels. Right?
Take it back. Take it back at pee-pee.
That kid is nuts. Where you going?
It's you.
Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? Would you just look at that beauty? Just look at that beauty. Just look at that Helicon Tex. Got a very special guest joining us today on this camp. His name is the Storyteller, aka Josh Bryant. What's up, Josh?
guys, what's going on? Over here with Mr. BURNWOOD Bushcraft. We're getting ready to get a little crazy.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is my buddy Josh. We went to high school together. This is the storyteller. I got a video. You guys got to check it out. Where he went to the Nantahala Whitewater Rafting Center. It was awesome. Over here is his caretaker.
Yeah,
caretaker Faye.
Faye.
You've probably seen her before.
Yeah, I'll tell y'all a little funny story about Faye.
Don't tell that story. Do not tell that story.
Me and Faye went to go to Domino's to pick up a pizza, and she went in there and got the pizza, and there was some guy eating there, and he said, "Ma'am, are you the lady that walks around at the hotel?" Faye said, "No."
He turned right around and asked me again. I said, "No."
What do you? Why do you think he thought she was a prostitute?
I guess. I guess, but I was not down there at that motel. Don't do anything. I don't know if anybody down there or not.
Hey guys, y'all better get your popcorn ready. Check out little, well, look at little pebbles down there. Where's your caveman stick at? Guys, we're getting ready to blow it up now. When that video hits, man, I'm telling y'all, tag people, show them, man, 'cause I'm telling you, man, we're getting ready to do big things here. But yeah, Ryan, I was thinking about a good thing for your on the run thing, man.
Oh yeah?
Did you say y'all finished up with it?
Yeah, I'm done with that.
Well, you need to do a sequel to it, man. And the thing what you ought to do the sequel to is get you know, a lot of stuff when you look at here.
I seen them coming, but
One thing that y'all need to do next time is use real blood. And
no.
what you ought to do, man, is I know it's going to hurt, man. It's going to hurt like crazy, man. But they got prosthetics and stuff. So what you're going to do, man, is let your wife cut off your last 3 fingers, man. And then, guys, we're going to do a prize drawing and auction off his fingers. So y'all get ready. Digging me a bouquet of dogwood flowers, and I'm hoping for Raleigh I can see my baby tonight.
Damn, Josh.
Take a picture of this right here, man.
Oh, I got pictures right here.
Start it rolling, man.
It's rolling.
Guys,
You gonna end up in that fire here in a second.
this is how I meditate, guys.
Let's see about this fire. Drinking on a drink. Josh had to go. He had to go back home. And now we're just hanging out, enjoying the rest of the night. In the morning I got an awesome breakfast we're gonna cook. Got hash browns, eggs and sausage, and cheese. It's gonna be great. Good morning. It's Saturday, March 14th. Yeah, Saturday, March 14th. Yesterday, Friday the 13th.
President Trump declared a national emergency because of the coronavirus. Everything in the country's going kind of crazy right now. Everybody's buying up all the damn toilet paper, of all things. I think food is more important. Water, clean water. And there's a lot of rumors going around. People know people talk. In 2 weeks or less, they're going to lock down the entire country and you won't be able to leave your home. Sounds a little bit like martial law, don't it? So me and my wife has just been going over this and trying to get as much information that we can off the internet. Some of it you don't know whether you can trust it or not. Some of it might be true, some of it might be not. But we're just trying to figure out what we're going to do, and if things just keep getting worse and worse. The main thing we want to do is not get the coronavirus, but I'm not scared of it, and I don't think she is either. I think we can both survive it, because they're hyping the fear of how it's so deadly, but so is the flu, so is all these other diseases that they made and given us over the years. So we're still camping, might stay here another night. We'll have a clearer head later on tonight. We'll be able to think about exactly what we need to do, which is probably stay with my parents, make sure they're okay. I mean, it's not like we got anywhere else left to go, unless we're going to be on the run. Bryce is in a mood, really wanting to go home bad. He's in the car, so we're going to go ahead and pack up. We're going to set the tent up in the backyard. So we're just going to halfway break down the tent and head to the house. Wash all of our pots and pans and stuff and get everything organized, and maybe have a backyard camping adventure. Bryce just wants to go home. So we're not going to make him stay here. If the kids want to go home, they don't want to be out here anymore, we're definitely not going to make them do that. So it was fun night. Go ahead and tell you guys, catch you next time. Thanks for watching Burnwood Chronicles. Please subscribe to Burnwood Bushcraft, my main channel, and we'll see you on the next.